Great, we know what a forEach does. Now what I want you to do is assume our browser has no idea what a forEach is. Say that it's not natively supported by our browser. So therefore, we want to build a polyfill on our array prototype. The first step is going to be actually writing out the beginning of our code, and it's going to look something like this. And let me just point out, it is on the prototype of our array object. Then we want to define the forEach method. We can call this whatever we want, but for our purposes, I want us to call it forEach, and we're putting it on the prototype of the JavaScript array global object. We know forEach is a method, that's why we've got the function keyword. And that forEach method takes two arguments. The first argument it takes is a callback. And remember that callback? That takes three arguments. It takes the item, the index, and the array. I don't often use the array, that's why we're only concentrating on the item and the index, but it does actually take three arguments. And the first thing that we need to test for in our polyfill, in our custom code, is that callback has to be a function. It has to be a function that takes these items as its inputs. So let's switch over to the console and let's start writing our first bit of code.